Welcome to KT Study Zone, and today's video where we will discuss the basic physical components of a computer system. These are essential devices that help you interact with and use a computer effectively. First, we look at input devices, which allow us to feed data into a computer. We then explore imaging and video devices, scanners, and additional input devices like ATMs and microphones. Alright, one of the most common input devices is the keyboard. It's designed like a typewriter but with extra keys for special functions. Keyboards usually range from 101 to 108 keys. We also have pointing devices like the mouse, which has left and right buttons and a scroll wheel. Laptops use touchpads or mice for navigation, and modern touch screens allow input by simply touching the screen. Other pointing devices include the joystick, which is often used for gaming, and the light pen, which is perfect for drawing on a screen or for computer aided designs, also known as CAD. For imaging, we have devices like digital cameras that allow us to input photos and videos. Webcams are another common input device typically used to capture videos for online communication. Closed circuit TV or CCTV cameras are used for surveillance and provide video input to computers for safety purposes. Well, scanners allow us to digitize physical documents. The flatbed scanners works like a photocopy machine, capturing images and documents. Barcode readers are used in stores to scan items and convert barcodes into data. Input devices include MICR, which is used in banks to verify check accuracy. OCR is used to scan and edit text from documents, while OMR recognizes marks made on forms or exam papers. These devices play key roles in data processing. Automated teller machines or ATMs are another input device. They read card data and connect to the bank's computer system for processing transactions. Finally, microphones allow us to feed sound into a computer, whether for recording or communicating. Alright, now let's get into the next section on output devices. We will explore how a computer system produces processed information. These are three main methods: soft copy, hard copy, and sound. First, we're gonna discuss soft copy. This refers to the output displayed on screens. Key devices include monitors, also known as visual display units. Monitors come in different types. CRT monitors. They are larger and consume more electricity. LCDs are flat screen and use less power. LEDs are energy efficient, bright, and often used in outdoor displays. Another important device is the multimedia projector, which projects information onto large screens, making it ideal for presentations and entertainment. Okay, now let's talk about hard copy, which refers to tangible outputs from computers. Printers are the primary devices used for hard copies. There are two main types: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers, like the dot matrix printer, which prints using small dots, and the line printer, which is fast and prints rows at a time. Non-impact printers. They produce quieter and higher quality outputs. Examples include laser printers that use toner for crisp prints, inkjet printers that spray liquid ink, and thermal printers that use heat for printing receipts. Lastly, a plotter is used for drawing designs in fields like architecture and engineering. Finally, we have sound output. This is produced through devices called speakers. Speakers can be used for both personal listening and in common areas for group experiences. They play an essential role in making digital content more engaging. Alright, next we are going to talk about Central Processing Unit or CPU. It is the brain of the computer. It processes all instructions and manages both the operating system and software. The CPU has three main components: ALU, CU, and memory registers. ALU or Arithmetic and Logical Unit. This part handles all mathematical and logical operations. CU or Control Unit. It directs the computer's devices and operations. And memory registers, these hold temporary data needed for processing. Together, these components allow the CPU to execute commands and perform tasks efficiently. Computer speed refers to how fast a computer can process tasks. The clock speed of a computer is measured in hertz, and its speed is often described in megahertz or gigahertz. A higher clock speed means the computer can perform more instructions per second, making it faster. Alright, now we are going to talk about computer memory. Computer memory stores data and information. It is classified into two main types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory directly accessible by CPU and includes RAM, ROM, and cache. RAM or random access memory temporarily stores data while the computer is on. ROM or read-only memory permanently stores essential instructions for the computer, such as the BIOS. BIOS means basic input output system. And cache memory, a smaller, faster memory that stores frequently used data for quick access. Okay, secondary memory stores data permanently even when the computer is turned off. So, there are several types. The first one is magnetic media devices. As examples, hard disk drive. It is a common storage inside computers. Floppy disks store small amounts of data, and magnetic tapes are used for backups, slower read-write speeds. Alright, the next type is optical media devices. So, in these, data is read or written by laser. Examples include CD, DVD, and Blu-ray. Okay, the last type is solid state devices, which have no moving parts and faster in reading and writing. Examples include USB flash drive, which are portable and fast, and memory cards are used in cameras and phones. Alright, now we are going to talk about computer ports. Computer ports connect external devices to the computer. These ports are located at the front or back of the computer and are identified by specific symbols. Common ports include PS2 port, parallel port, HDMI port, RJ45 port, audio ports or jacks, USB or universal serial bus port, video ports and serial port. Each port type has its specific function, making it easier to connect devices and communicate with the computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment your ideas and subscribe for more. See you next time.